Hey guys, it's Dalya, and today we are going to be making incredible vegan sweet potato quinoa patties. Of course, these sweet potato quinoa patties are great for all year round, but I decided to share the recipe now since Passover is coming up, and I know that there are many vegans out there who celebrate Passover but have a really hard time finding proteins that they could eat on Passover. So this is a great protein, a main dish that you can make using quinoa, and I'm going to be using sweet potato to bind the patties, and it actually gives them a great, slightly sweet flavor. So I cannot wait to share with you, and even if you're not vegan, you could totally make these as well. I made these patties for my meal prep earlier this week, and I love them so much. So whether you're vegan or not, you could totally make them, and head to my website, spreadingflour.com, for the full written recipe. I'll leave a link in the description box below. And now let's start cooking. First, I'm starting off with my cooked quinoa. I cooked half a cup of raw quinoa. Basically, take half a cup of raw quinoa, cook it exactly according to the package directions, let it cool down, and then you have your cooked quinoa. And to it, I'm going to add some spices. So we have some garlic powder, onion powder, a nice pinch of kosher salt, and optional red pepper flakes. And then just mix this up. Once all the spices are added in, I'm going to dump in some almond flour along with some sauteed onions and garlic. I just sauteed 1 small onion with 3 garlic cloves and some avocado oil. Now, I don't think avocado oil is good for Passover, so you can use canola oil, olive oil, any other oil to saute them in. And I just let them cool off for a little bit. And now I'm just gonna mix this all together. It smells so good already between like the garlic and the onion, and then on top of that, the garlic powder and the onion powder. It's just such a great combination. And also, it will help if your quinoa is a little bit sticky, so don't worry if you overcook it. That's actually a good thing in this situation. Now it's time to mash up the sweet potato. So I have here a whole sweet potato. Basically what I did is I just took a whole sweet potato, washed it, put it onto a pan, bake it at 350 for about 2 hours, and then it gets super, super soft, really, really sweet. It makes the biggest difference in flavor. Don't boil your sweet potato, make sure you bake it in the oven. So basically I just stuck it in the fridge overnight because I didn't eat it yesterday. And now it's time to just take the skin off. So I'm gonna peel it off. You need about 1/2 cup of mashed sweet potato. So I don't use the whole sweet potato usually half fits enough, 1/2 or 3/4 of it. And this actually happens to be a pretty small sweet potato, so I might need some more. And then it should mash up really, really easily because you cooked it for 2 hours. Then just take the sweet potato mixture and mix it into the quinoa. Next, you're gonna form 8 patties and place them onto a greased baking sheet. And then just press it down slightly. So now I'm just gonna quickly spray the top of these patties with a little bit more baking spray, and this is gonna help them get extra crispy on the outside, but not dry, just crispy. So now it's time to bake these at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 35 to 40 minutes, and then you just wanna flip them halfway through or after around 20-25 minutes, and then I will show you what they look like when they are done. I am so hungry, and I can't wait to try one of these. So they came out of the oven about an hour ago. You wanna make sure that they are fully cooled before serving them, or else they're just gonna fall apart. Now, if you even have the extra time, I would recommend sticking them in the fridge overnight, and then you could reheat them, and they'll just keep their shape much better. I wish I could finish all these today. These are so delicious. They're great served as a main. You could also even serve it as a side, however you wanna make it. And also you could put it into a hamburger bun, whether you're making it for Passover or not for Passover. They have Passover bun recipes I've seen online. Also, you could just serve it with ketchup. You could do like a little dill sauce on top, or just eat it as is. That's how I've been eating it, and they are just absolutely delicious on their own. So head to my website, spreadingflour.com, to get the full recipe. I'll leave a link in the description box down below. Also, let me know if you make them and post a picture on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter, and tag me at spreadingflour so I can see your delicious food. And thank you guys again so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and if you haven't already, you should totally subscribe to my channel so you'll get to see all my new videos every week. So thank you guys again so much for watching, and you should totally make this recipe. I'll see you next time. Bye.